Okay, so let's start with this video. So we're gonna look at how we are extracting information with TCIA, and we're gonna do it. I'm gonna show how to do it, and on the way we're gonna find some bugs and we're gonna fix them, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so in scripts we have the TCIA extraction. So we have this script. We have some dictionaries that I'm gonna show you later and a catalog template. So the idea is that we are, let's show this, that first we are getting the collections from TCIA. And after that, after getting those collections, it's gonna create a CSV file with all the collections. And after that, we're gonna use that file and we're gonna map the TCIA collections to the catalog, and we're gonna use the catalog template to fill up, to add those collections to the catalog template. That's an Excel file, and after that we can use that Excel file to update the catalog content. Okay, so if we so we're just gonna run the script and we'll see the errors. So we have extracted those, let's see, extracted those collections, and this is what we created, this file. And let's look at that file and see what it has. And so I'm opening the file. Gonna maybe take a while. Okay, so here it is. So this is a file with everything extracted from all the collection from TCIA. And what we need to do is that we need to take all those fields, parsing this, mapping, and then put it in the catalog template using the catalog metadata structure. And so let's do that. Okay, but we have a problem. So that was successful to get the TCIA collections, but then we have a problem later on when we are mapping the body part, and is because lymph doesn't exist. So it's not finding this in the dictionary. So let's look at body part. Yeah, is here actually. It's not finding that in body part. So let's look at body part dictionary. So this is a dictionary for body parts. So actually what is saying that when the whatever body parts we find in TCIA, we are mapping that to something that in the structure of the catalog, which is Snow MedCT, and is not finding. Okay, here we have lymph node, but we're gonna make changes, in fact, because lymph node, we're gonna make a body part as lymph, and also skin will be skin and not entire body. And then you know how to change that in case, so it's not entire body. So what I'm going to do is just going to put it at the end. So because I already included, for example, bone, blood, and marrow is in TCIA, but we don't have that in, or we didn't have that before. So I've been including everything that I'm including and putting in the end, so we can track what's going on instead of, where is it? It's an entire body here. So skin as well, we're gonna change that. And just in case various It's still entire body, but you just need to remember that in case you want to change that in the future. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we're gonna make a new, which is lymph, and here as well, lymph. Lymph is gonna be lymph. Same. Okay. And there is skin. We're gonna make a new one, which is skin. So now it's completed. We save that. We run that again, and we'll see if we have more errors. So every time we're doing this, you see it's creating a new one with the timestamp. So you remember in this, the last one that we 1404, and this is 1408. Okay, so this using, but is using the last one. And then we see that we have a final one, which is the structure of the catalog with the new, I'm opening this one, and it is with the new, this is the structure of the catalog. Everything is here. So it's entities, attributes, so all this structure here. And then this is how it's like all the collections and everything is here. The only thing we need to change now is that body parts, we need to check is not, we need to change that template. What is it, body parts? Can't find it yet. Okay, here. Okay. Here we don't have, because we're using the old template, we don't have lymph or anything like that. So what we need to do, so this is not gonna work. This is when you will try to upload it into the catalog, it's gonna fail. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna restart from the beginning. So I'm gonna delete the files that we were using, and I'm gonna change the catalog template. So that's the thing, when we change the structure, we need to be consistent and have that same structure everywhere. So when we were adding new categories, we need to make sure that they are consistent. And even let's find bones here. It's not here. Blood. Okay. So we need to be careful with that. 1 second. What is this doing this? Okay. So we need to check what is here. So we have bone, blood, lymph, and skin. And this is this one. There are too many things open. I'm gonna close this one. Okay, so we're gonna add and also phantom, by the way, because we just changed. We want to include also phantom. Oh, we can do that right away, in fact. Okay, so we're gonna add blood, later, and bone, and it doesn't really, it corresponds to this ontology, so we're not gonna add anything there. Lymph and phantom. Okay. So we save this, and then we have that available now in the template. Okay. And then we can now, okay, we need to wait until it's still like it's still saving. It's now good. And now we're gonna run everything, and we're gonna check that everything is fine. So we're gonna run this. It's creating this file, then the final one, and then I'm gonna open the final one and then just check. It's here. Yeah, body parts are here, and then we can see they're here, and then we can check, by the way, collections. In the description, what is this description? But we want to know in body parts if they are there. Here, body part is present there. Okay. So this is it. So what we can do now, just quickly and see if it works, is that if we can import the data. Okay, so we need to sign up, and then we can use this to upload. Okay, no. And then, yeah, this file. And then we do next. And what we want to do is to update. So this is gonna add anything, everything, and it fails if it already exists. This will add and update. So we're gonna do add and update. Then you can just go to next. And then next. So far it looks, everything is good. And skin, there is an error in skin. Okay, so we need to find out what happened there. And did we, maybe we forgot to add the skin. And so let's do that. Let's check. So this is the, oh yeah, skin is not there. So we forgot the skin, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it the right way. So we're gonna redo everything back again. That's really good. It's a very good exercise. So I'm deleted the final one because we're gonna to redo it, and I'm gonna open the template. So that's the kind of errors you will get when, yeah, the structure of the model is not completed. So body part, add the skin, 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 save. And then after is saved, we're gonna run everything again. So it just take a while to save. Okay, and we run this. And then we have the final one, and we're just gonna do the same. So we have restarted, select the file, final, yes. Next, we want to update, continue. And it looks like it was successful. So now we're gonna check that we have, so we want to check skin, for example. So we have a skin. So we have a few collections with skin and the one with lymph here. So it was for this one. And then we have blood, bone here as well. Okay, okay, nothing with blood. Yeah. Okay, we need to fix that. Why there is nothing in there? But we'll fix it in another video. So that is for the moment.